So honestly, before Savage Powers came into like our ecosystem as a accounting partner, we didn't have any formal accounting process, or maybe even we haven't hired any individual in our finance and accounting team. As a startup, like that's the last thing you worry about initially when you're building the company. Gradually, when you build up your team, it becomes a very important function because you need to control your inlays and outlays from your bank accounts, how the expenses are coming up, what's your unit economics going. All these things become very important. So accounting, which is the most critical layer to drive your finance function. So we realized that we need to now have a more organized approach to accounting, and that's when we came across Savage Powers, that like we work with you on an outsourcing model and you just don't need to worry about this part. Let us worry about your accounting entries and everything. And it was a marriage at play. Like we were not organized on our accounting function when we were not with Savage Powers. So we realized that the filing process, like the regulatory, the income IT file, annual filing, the data that we have on our tally accounting systems and all of that whole process was not well organized. So it took us a while to get this right with our auditors and stuff. But if we could have incrementally on a day on day, on a week on week, on a month on month, if you follow organized model of accounting entries and all as a process, it will never be a problem. So we got that solved while we worked with Savage Powers, and I think that the tipping point came only when we realized that how important it is for accounting data to get filed into regulatory like systems. And as a startup, you don't worry much initially in the first few years, which we got it organized with Savage and Powers. I really enjoy the relationship because it gives you a feeling that there's a team outside a team where you can go and tell that this is how my accounts are and this is how we are doing, and they are very, very customer obsessed in terms of providing you the service, and that relationship is very good. So it doesn't come across that I'm working with a partner outside, it comes across that I'm working with somebody, there's somebody within my company who's supporting me on the account side. And I think that relationship through Aftab from Savage Powers, it has worked wonder for us.